TechnoIllustrator. Editing photos in Paint. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open an image. Click on File. Open. Select Paint Palette.jpg, click Open. Or press Alt-F. Press O. Select File to be opened, click Open. Step 3. Select an area of the image. Click the Select tool, highlight the area that you want to select. Step 4. Crop an image. Click the Crop tool. Step 5. Save an image. Click on File, Save As. A Save As window will appear in the folder where you want to save your file and type your chosen color in the file name. Text box, click Save. Your file is now saved.